Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 24th of March 2025 and I'll be going over my prediction for Bitcoin, that is BTCUSD. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review the last prediction and go over this one in more detail. But before getting into the video, it is important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. But with that out of the way, let's get into the video. So monthly charts of Bitcoin, we can see there was a huge run up, but then the last month, which is the month of February, was a very, very negative month for Bitcoin. It crashed 17.7% approximately. We see RSI, shot back up and then crashed down because of this month. However, we see again the month of March seems to be quite an indecisive candle as well. We have almost equidistant, the distance from this peak and the low here to the body, it seems almost the same. So we have kind of an indecisive candlestick, and we would need more strong confirmation to be able to say which direction we are looking at. Now, the past few weeks have been bullish for Bitcoin. We see there was the huge crash down. We had this double top. Then we had a very, very long wicked kind of hanging man pattern. Quite a bearish confirmation after that, which interestingly also was a harami pattern as well. We see, however, there was no bearish movement. As typically happens with harami, if you have the next candle's direction tends to be the direction price goes to. We see this is the case. It seems to be moving upwards. Again, this is all very bearish as of now, but again, these are lagging indicators and they will catch up in due time. Again, daily charts, we see RSI is starting to peak up. Because of this upward price movement, we had a double top, which we definitely broke out of. We had a failed reversal here, but then we crashed back down. Again, MACD has turned bullish, so this is a good sign. We see quite strong upwards movement, although volume is lacking, which is why we have these kind of weird zones, and we would have to have quite a strong breakouts to confidently be able to say that Bitcoin is going in one direction or the other. Right now, we're kind of in a middle ground. So this week, again, we will buy Bitcoin if it crosses 88,730 and sell if it falls below 82,240 with a target of 5% and a trailing stop loss of 1.25%. If neither target or stop loss is hit, we will close on the Friday. The weekly and monthly trend are up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the